Okay, so this is in class 13, problem 2 continued. So I left off at part C here. So part C says perform a paired two-sided t-test with alpha being 0.05 to pre-treatment group and post-treatment group with placebo, and decide if there's been a statistically significant effect on depression over 1 month without any drugs. Okay, let's do that. Go up the top here. Let's get our template right here. Okay, go down. Too far. So right here. So paste our template. Okay, so we're doing it to pre-treatment group 1. That's our first guy. And post-treatment group 1 with placebo. So right here. I'm gonna go here. Those are 2 guys we're looking at. And it's going to be a pair test because it's before and after measurements. We're doing a measurement at the beginning and a measurement 1 month later. So it's paired. So, and it wants a two-sided, so we're going to choose two-sided here. And the mu is only for 1 sample. This is a 2-sample one, so you can just take this away. And it's paired. So this would be true because it's before and after measurements of the same group. You can just disregard this. And our confidence level then, well, our alpha is 0.05. So it's going to be 1 minus 0.05. It's like $1, take away 5 cents, it's going to be 95 cents, so it'll be 0.95. Just do it in your calculator. So it'll be 0.95 here. Okay, so that's part C looks like done. So let's take this away for now. And part D is going to do the same thing now. And has the same level of significance, but now it's going to be in pre-treatment group 2 and post-treatment group 2 with drug. So just take this and copy it, and we'll make some slight changes to it. So that's going to be pre-treatment group 2 here. And the second one now is going to be post-treatment group 2 with drug. So it would be post-treatment group 2 with drug. And it's two-sided still, and the alpha is the same, so everything else is the same here. So we've done with part D. So now we have to paste this in to run our script, so let's do it now. Let's take our, so it starts here, I guess. So all the way down to this guy. So let's go to run our script now. I have it open here. And let's run it. Just scrolling down. There's our information. Let's take this and paste it at the bottom of our question below everything. Let's paste it here. And let's take our graphs, our box plots, paste those also. So copy image, paste here. Now, go back to our graph. Let's open a new window here. Looking at the graphs here, you have a pre-treatment group 1 and pre-treatment group 2. They're about the same at the beginning. This is post-treatment group 2 with drug is here. And the one here it's missing is post-treatment group 2 with placebo. So it looks like after the placebo didn't really have any effect, looking at the black line. But looks like with the drug, it did come down a bit, the black line here. So it looks like the drug may have worked. So let's check. Okay, let's go back over here. Now let's check our results here. So let's look at our output. So let's see. Let's actually go to the questions here. So we've done a E and F, and I can take those away. And this I'm going to paste at the top of the R code. So the R code starts here. So let's paste it here. So looking at the p-values, so let's find the p-values for our guy. Actually, put this to a new page. Okay, let's look at the p-values for our 2 t-test that we ran. Okay, so let's just take this, paste it up there for now. Oh, let's paste it below here. So it looks like we have our p-value 0.6772. That's for the pre-treatment group and post-treatment group with placebo. So that's a pretty big p-value. So it means that it seems like there's not much of an effect. So placebo didn't do much. It doesn't look like here. Let's find the other one down here. That's what the drug. So that's what the placebo. Let's find the one with the drug here. So it's right here. This data. Put it at the top. Paste below here. So you can see here, this p-value is pretty small, so it looks like the drug was doing something for sure. Okay, so our alpha value is 0.05. So let's write up our conclusion now. Okay, so our alpha value was 0.05. So let's compare our p-values with our 0.05 alpha value. Okay, so our alpha is 0.05, so you can see it's bigger than the p-value. Sorry, there I got these backwards here. This should be less than the p-value here, and this one's greater. So the 0.05 is less than our p-value of 0.677 for the placebo group, and our alpha value is greater than the p-value for the drug group. So let's write our conclusion now. So here's our conclusion. We can say, hence, there has been a statistically significant effect on depression over 1 month with the drug. And no statistically significant effect on depression over one month with our control group. That's the placebo group. So you can see the p-value with the drug group was very small. The p-value with the placebo group was pretty big. That means the drug seems like is working very good compared to our control group. Okay, so this is evidence to suggest that our drug is working. Okay, so we're done.